The final thing that I'm going to show you is the handy dandy cheat. Okay? And this is when you have a graph and you're not really sure, you're in a rush. I'm going to show you both ways to do this, but if each of these represents a unit, so this is 5 here, this is 5 here for me, negative 5 here, let me make sure I make that negative, and a 5 here. Now, what I want you guys to be able to do is to find the x and the y. So this is over 1, 2. Just imagine that that's perfectly with the 3. So my x is 3 and my y is 2. Okay. Here I have a 0 as my x because I'm not going left or right. And then I have a negative 2. Now, we always read left to right. Make sure you make a note of that. Left to right. Now, the cheat is going to tell you to do this, okay? I can figure out how am I going to get to that particular point. It's very easy. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went up 4. And then I'm going to find out how many I have to go over from here. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's see if this comes out. So remember, my rise would have to be 4, and my run would have to be 3. I could be wrong. I don't know, but let's go ahead and try our slope formula. M equals y2 sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And I'm going to go ahead and label them here too, okay? Left to right. The first dot that I see is here, not the one that's on top, okay? Left to right. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's see what we got here. If I plug these in, I have 2 minus negative 2 over 3 minus 0. So remember, we're trying to get this, because we use the cheat by counting up and counting over. We're going to see if we get that. I know that this has to become a positive, so I have to rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite it down here. M is equal to 2 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 0, which gives me 4/3. Did I have my rate of change doing the cheat and the math? They both check out. I'm going to give you some time to copy that down.